In this equation video, we are going to solve a quadratic equation. So before we proceed with solving the quadratic equation, let's first understand what is a quadratic equation. So when do we call a expression an equation? So the numbers used in mathematics have a fixed value and are called constants. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever the numbers we are using, they have a fixed value and we call them as constant. The letters used in mathematics don't have a fixed value. They are called variables. A, P, X, M, whatever, or A to Z, any letter could be used. When a number and a variable are put together, we get an algebraic expression. Say 4x, 4 into x it is. P means 1p. If only one letter is used, it also means it's an algebraic expression because the coefficient or the number in front of it is 1. So it is having a variable and a constant, therefore it is an algebraic expression. M upon 3 means 1m upon 3 it is. So this is an algebraic expression. When algebraic expression is equated to 0, say it is equal to 0 or say it's equal to some number, we get what is called as an equation. 4x is equal to 16. So we have equated this expression to a number 16. So this is an equation. 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is an equation. Okay. If the highest power of the variable in the equation is 2, then the equation is called a quadratic equation. Here the variable is x, its power is 1. Here the variable is y, power is 1. But if the power happens to be 2 and there is no other variable with power more than 2 and its highest power is only 2, then we call it as a quadratic equation. Okay, this is the quadratic equation. Now let us see the equation, the problem which we are going to solve. Solve the quadratic equation. The question is 9x square minus 6b square x minus a raised to 4 minus b raised to 4 is equal to 0. This is the equation. Okay, now let's find a solution. To solve this equation, we use the discriminant method. What is the discriminant method formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here, discriminant is denoted by letter D, capital D, and it is b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac is the discriminant. This part is the discriminant which is inside the root side. So let's first calculate the value of D. First, let's calculate D first. As per the equation, A is the coefficient of x square. So this is 9. Coefficient of x is b, that is minus 6b square. So minus 6b square. And this is your c, that is minus a raised to 4 minus b raised to 4. Let's put all these values in this expression. Let's put the value of a, b, c, and d. So d is minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 9 into minus a raised to 4 minus b raised to 4. Open the bracket. It becomes square, will become plus 36x raised to b raised to 4 minus, because this minus and this minus becomes plus 4 9s are 36, a raised to 4 minus b raised to 4. Let's open the bracket. 36b raised to 4 plus 36a raised to 4 minus 36b raised to 4. 36b raised to 4, 36b raised to 4 plus and minus cancels. So d value is 36a raised to 4. Now our x value is minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So as per the equation this. So x is equal to minus 6b square minus plus minus square root of 36a raised to 4, d value which we are calculated just, upon 2 into 9, that is a is 9. It's having a plus minus sign, so it is plus minus minus plus b square plus minus square root of 36 is 6, square root of a raised to 4 is a square. Okay, it's having plus minus. Let's take one's plus and one's minus. So you'll get two values, 6b square plus 6a square upon 2 into 9, and you'll get 6b square minus 6a square upon 2 into 9. Take out 6 common, 6b square plus a square upon 18, that will become b square plus a square upon 3, and this will give you 6b square minus a square upon 18, which will give you 6 3s are 18, so b square minus a square upon 3. So your answer will be x is equal to b square plus a square upon 3 and b square minus a square upon 3. This is your answer. Hope you have understood it.